Hi moms, a very happy Mother's Day. Yes, I am here back with another activity that's a DIY, a very simple card. We all love cards, especially when our husbands give us cards on anniversary. But Mother's Day is special when it's given by our kids. So today I'm going to create a very special card which is called the Suncatcher card, and you're going to love it because it's colorful. Your little ones will love it, yes, because it's again colorful, and sun catchers are meant to spread positivity because of the colors of the rays fallen by the sun. So I'll show you the one I have created, and we'll create another one. I've already created the material ready here for you. You just need to follow my instructions and get started. So I'll just show you my card. Do you see this? Yes, it's like a magnifying glass that I've tried as an idea, and if I turn it like this, do you see the magic? Do you see that reflection and how it's showing those reflections on the color? Do you see that? How beautiful that looks. This is what I want you to do for this Mother's Day with your little one. So let's get started. First and foremost, you would need any shape idea that you want to put on the card. I'm using a star cutter. Hearts are common. I wanted to go for a star. So I'll be using a star cutter, which I've already done. I have few origami sheets. You might say, why do I need? Yes, I have already cut pieces and kept ready to show it to you. These are small little sun catcher sheets that are going to shine in the light and give that look to our card. And then I have this another glossy sheet. If you see, you just need to cut them to give it a little glossy flavor to the card. It's optional. If you don't want to use it, it's totally fine. You would need a sheet like this, because when you need to fold it, then you need this. But mine is already a very dirty old sheet and I didn't have a new one. So I came up with an idea, why don't I use my zip pouch? I already had a cut piece here. So I'm going to use this. I'm just showing this you for reference so you understand what sort of sheet I have used. So I've cut this part and it's here lying ready. Now you need a sheet. You need any color sheet, but yes, pink and red is all for love. So I have used a pink, and now I come up with my main sheet. Yes, you see the star is ready. Yes, I have taken the sheet, folded it, and I've cut it from both the sides like this. The purpose is because we're going to put the sun catcher style inside it, so it's easy for us to use it. So let's get started with the first thing. You keep the card aside and you take the sheet. You open it like this. All you need to do is, I have cut these small little glossy things, so I'm going to just cut them and place them over here like this. So I'm going to take random colors and place them so that they look beautiful. It depends on you how much you want to fill it with. If you want to fill it with more, if you want to fill it with less, you want it too many, too little, it's totally your call. So yeah, I'll put some more so it gives that look. The reason why I'm using this is just to give a little stability to these little looks of the card. I'm going to peel some more stickers. This is a sticker one, so it's easy to peel and use it. So if you see here, and I'll use some more here. One more I think I'll put in case I want to put one here, and I can put some more cards and colors here, and I'll take some more from here. Yes, so this is what I've done. All I do is I'll use one more glossy one here. And I place it over here. So if you see, it looks like this. All you need to do is just be careful. Take this little card and place it over here like this. And then take a sellotape and stick it. Yeah. So the edges are closed and it's easy for you to do it, so they don't come out. Yes, it's a little messy, and that's what it is, because this is going to be closed and it's not going to be visible. So that's totally fine if it looks messy. And then what you do is, all you need to do is take a glue stick like this and just randomly spread the glue. So you do it like this. Do you see this, mommies? All you need to do is randomly, especially on the edges, so that they are locked well, And this looks like a nice Suncatcher card for your mom. I hope you're able to do it. You just need to collect the material and it's quite easy. So what you do is you just press it. Now what you do is you just turn it. Do you see this, moms? This is how my card looks. I can still give it a beautiful look. I'll use some more hearts I've created out of the glossy ones to give it a little beautiful look. So I'm going to place some cards over here. Let me see if I have one more heart here. Yes, I have one more heart over here. Yep. So here, if you see, this is like this. The card is stuck. It's done. All you need to do is just use a pen and write. Mom, and use another one with it to give it a beautiful love you, and use another pink on this to give it a beautiful look. You, 2 pieces. This is your little Mother's Day card ready. It just took 5 minutes. It's one of the most beautiful effort that you can let your child put for you. Sit with them and spend this little moment of happiness. And when you turn it like this, see, do you see the vibes it's giving? So this is what I want you to try. I hope you like my idea. I hope you like this simple little card which just takes 10 minutes to be created. You just need the stuff that you have at home, not much of spending, and you have a very beautiful moment with your child. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.